Here we have a Mitsubishi Triton 2.5 litre common rail diesel. Problem is hesitation, rough idle and poor performance on acceleration. The same issue arises in the Mitsubishi Pajero 3.2 litre common rail diesel, and it's generally caused by the throttle fuel suction control valve on the back of the fuel pump down there. It's pretty easy to replace. 2 Allen key bolts, which are 5mm Allen key. You just need to remove the plug, and when you buy the new one in the kit, it comes with a new washer, new O-ring and gasket, and 2 new bolts. And I'll show you how to do it. So I've just taken out the suction control valve, as you can see here. All that holds it in are 2 5mm Allen key bolts. And we've got our new control valve, our new O-ring and gasket. And all you need to get it out is, I've used a 10mm socket on my little railgun, a flathead screwdriver and a 5mm Allen key on a flex head ratchet. I've just removed the intake ducting, and then that allows you to get down to the back of the pump. It's a bit hard to see, but down the bottom there, and then you just unscrew it and pull it out. Now we've got the old one out, I'm going to go ahead and reassemble the new one into the back of the pump. Just make sure it's all clear, there's no obstructions, no dirt in the back of the pump. It's going to stop the O-ring and gasket from sealing, and then fit also with the 2 new Allen key bolts provided in the kit. And then re-plug on the wiring to the back of it and refit the ducting. So now the valve's all fitted and intake ducting's back on. Just go ahead and prime the primer, fuel lines until that goes hard, just to build up all the pressure in the system, and it's ready to start.